That's the alternator belt. I got a little room to tighten it.
Yeah.
I'll tighten it up a little bit.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Then we check it for leaks. Don't hold it. You never hold it to the stop. You touch it, come back. Okay. This is floating, so you got to actually physically push down on the button. You're pulling up on this. See? You got to push down on the whole thing. Okay. Go ahead. Get a little confident. Give it some gas. There you go. There you go. You got to put that cap on. It's drying off, right?
Yeah.
So let's just pull in here and put it in the shade and go get that cap, and you can turn this off. Just put it in that guy's shade right here and go get the cap because it could be sloshing out. Got me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. There you go. You can turn this off for a minute. No, I meant this one, but you can turn that one off too.
Alright guys, I just gotta be honest with you. Driving this 50-year-old car was pretty difficult. I mean, just steering, mashing the gas, it was pretty difficult.
I want you to mash it down halfway right now, just halfway, like you're driving your car. But stay to the right. Then you got a car coming. Stay hard to the right. These guys, this car can't be replaced. There you go. Now give it some gas. See how it's stumbling a little? I wanted to get past that. So you're still in, you're not in drive, see? So you put it one too far. There you go. A little to the right. You start braking early because these are drum brakes.